Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Under BD. Today I will show you how you can install Kali Linux, Ubuntu or any other OS on VMware. For that you have to download VMware. I will give the link in the description box so you can download it from there. VMware download, search, go to download VMware workstation and download any of this. I have downloaded it and I have already installed it on my system. So let me open this. Okay, so here you can see I have opened VMware workstation player. You can install it simply by clicking on the .exe file after downloading it. So I have downloaded it. Okay, now if you want to install Kali Linux or Ubuntu or any other OS, at first you have to download it. So I will install Kali Linux. So I'm going to Kali Linux website. I'm searching Kali Linux. Okay, it's their website and you can click simply on download. After that you will select virtual machines, as VMware is a virtual machine. Okay, so you have to select virtual machines, choose according to your system. My system is 64-bit, so I will select 64-bit. Then you can just download by clicking here or torrent. I have already downloaded it. So after downloading you have to go to the folder that you have downloaded. You have to unzip the file. So I have already unzipped the file. So after unzipping the file, it looks like this. You have to search the .vmx file. After searching the vmx file, you can just double click it and you will show up it will show up on your VMware workstation player. So as I have done it previously, I am not doing it again here. So after clicking here, operating system will appear here and you can just simply double click on it to run it. So after that the interface will look like this. Select any of the option. It will take some time to load. So for Kali Linux, the default username is Kali and the password also is Kali. So here it is. Okay, now you can open terminal or you can do anything else. You can run anything here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you want this type of videos, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.